everyone, thanks for joining me on Macrame for Beginners Part 2. Today I'm going to teach you how to make one of the simplest macrame patterns. That's the macrame feather. You can also use this to make macrame leaves, it just depends on how you choose to cut it. You can choose to alternate which side you start with, but for this tutorial we're going to continue it down the same side. So it really is one of the easiest macrame patterns you can make. You can add these to other macrame patterns, or you can make something with more detail like this one, but we'll talk about that in a later tutorial. Thanks for joining me in Macrame for Beginners Part 2. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more DIY tutorials.